Welcome to MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Hearn. Today we're standing on this brand new 2020 Sailfish 325 dual console. I'm going to show you some things about the dual console that make this an awesome boat. Great for family and fishing as well. As we start up here in the bow, you can see I'm 6'2". You can see how high up the sides this is on my back. Very safe, very comfortable for the kids. If you are fishing up here, it's a nice large area that you're not going to be on top of each other. Just a great option while you're out on the water for whatever you're doing that day. You do have storage and fish boxes under the seat as well as in the floor underneath me, and then you get some additional storage in the side here where you have some shelves if you need to put some tackle in there or just anything that you're going to be storing on the boat that day. Next, we're going to take a look at the helm. Now we're at the helm station of this 325 dual console. First thing I'm going to point out is the coverage that you get with this large hardtop. It's great, great to get out of the sun. Really enjoy that time out on the water that day. Over here at the helm, I will point out this does have joystick piloting on the Yamaha 300s. Great option for this boat. Really makes docking very simple, a lot easier for the captain, full control of the boat. This particular boat comes with the Garmin 12-inch screen here. It also has the Optimus steering and your throttle controls, and then you have your trim tabs over there with the indicators. Next, we're going to take a look at the cockpit. Now in the cockpit of this 325 dual console, as you can see, very large area, a very beamy boat, a lot of seating options in this. So right now I have this set up if you were going to be entertaining or have your family out on the water, going to the fireworks, or if you're just pulling some tubers or having fun that day. And then simply I can fold these seats away, and then I have a nice open cockpit for when I have my buddies out there fishing, or if you're fishing with the family as well. One of the great things about this 325, great use of space. You get this nice little kitchenette area, dinette area, if you will. It's got a storage area there. You got a refrigerator underneath. Some nice stainless steel drawers that are soft close. Sink area. Again, a live well with a cutting board underneath. Just a great option. They give you so many things that you can do with this boat. It really is a great dual-purpose boat. Over here on this side, another seat that folds away with a nice storage area that you can lock. And then again, I'll point out up top here, not only does this have this huge hardtop, but you also have a sunshade that extends all the way off the back of the boat. So if you're just kind of hanging out, you're at a sandbar, you're anchored up somewhere, enjoying some drinks with some friends, you get that nice coverage, give you some coolness and some shade from the sun. Thank you for taking that walkthrough with me with this 2020 Sailfish 325 dual console. Again, my name is Bill Hearn. If you have any questions, come see us in Summers Point or give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thank you.